Hello, my dear children. It's me, Uma. Today we are going to see about Science, Chapter 3, Animals, Part 4. Learning objective to know about food chain. Introduction. All animals depend upon plants or other animals for their food. Food chain is the transfer of energy from one organism to another in a sequence. It is the nature's way of making sure that all the living things get food to eat. Green plants are known as producers. They make food for all living organisms. Here you can see the picture of food chain. Actually, food chain starts with producer, then herbivores, carnivores, scavengers, decomposers, and again it reaches producers. Let's move on to examples of food chain. Already I told you food chain starts with plants, that is producers. Here grass is given, grass is a kind of plant and this grass is eaten by rabbit, rabbit is eaten by tiger and dead tiger is eaten by vulture. This is an example of food chain. Another example is also given. Here, grass is eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper in turn eaten by a frog, and frog is eaten by a snake, snake is eaten by a hawk. Microorganisms like bacteria decompose dead plants and other animals. There are various food chains in nature. Food chain also exists in water. Such a food chain is called an aquatic food chain. An example of aquatic food chain is given below. Aquatic plants are eaten by small aquatic animals. Small aquatic animals are eaten by small fish and small fish are eaten by a big fish. Microorganisms decompose all dead plants and animals. Now let's move on to questions. Number 1. What is called food chain? Number 2. Why plants are known as producers? And 3. Draw a food chain which includes you. And number 4. What is meant by aquatic food chain? Children, read these questions carefully and write your answers in an A4 sheet or in your science classwork note. Thank you, children.